In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add speaker notes in Microsoft PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open Microsoft PowerPoint and launch the presentation where you want to add notes. This sets the stage for editing and customization. Now, with your presentation open, navigate to the bottom of the PowerPoint window. Here, you'll find the Notes pane, a convenient area to jot down additional information for your slides. Once you've located the Notes pane, click inside it to activate the text field. This action allows you to begin typing your speaker notes directly onto the slide. Next, simply type the notes you want to add for the current slide. These notes are for your reference during a presentation and won't be visible to your audience. From here, if you want to add notes to another slide, select the slide by clicking on it in the thumbnail pane on the left side. This shifts your focus to the new slide, preparing it for note input. With that out of the way, click inside the Notes pane of the new slide and type your notes just like before. This process can be repeated for as many slides as needed throughout your presentation. Finally, when you're ready to present, view your slides in Presenter View. This mode displays your notes on your screen while keeping them hidden from the audience, ensuring a smooth and professional delivery. And there you have it. Adding speaker notes to your PowerPoint presentation is a straightforward way to enhance your preparation and delivery.